Welcome to the Finance Corner by MoneyTap. Today, we are going to look at the ongoing trend of mergers and acquisitions in the banking industry, the reasons behind them, and their impact on the end customers. Some of the recent high-profile M&As have been the merger of HDFC Bank and its NBFC group company HDFC Ltd, Axis Bank buying out Citibank India's consumer banking business, and Unity Small Finance Bank taking over the crisis-hit PMC Bank. The top three common factors that led to all these deals were: first, corporate governance. Bigger institutions tend to have better corporate boards and safety checks in place. Second, wider bouquet of products. Combined entities usually have a wider range of products to offer to their customers. And last but not the least, the ability to underwrite larger loans. A bigger entity can underwrite larger checks to borrowers as per regulatory guidelines, which smaller institutions cannot. But how do these M&As impact the customers? Customers can benefit because of superior customer service. A bigger institution has better services in terms of branch network and are much more likely to have a larger customer service team, better technology for its internet banking and phone banking products, and a wider range of products under one roof. When you have an account with a large bank, you are likely to have easy access to a wide variety of financial products, from loans to mutual funds to insurance. As a result, you will be able to invest in a mutual fund using the same bank that you have a savings account with. However, not everyone is happy. Customers lose out on personalized banking and lack of options in case they are unhappy with their existing bank. Also, consolidation of banks leads to fewer choices for the customer and could result in a monopolistic environment. So while these M&As have both their pros and cons, it sure makes for exciting times in the world of banking. That's all from us, folks. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, do like this video and subscribe to the MoneyTap channel.